Hello, this is Scott with Affordable Mobile Lawnmower and Snowblower Service and Repair. We are a mobile service. We will come to you. We're open 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Phone number 970-420-8889. Again, this is Scott with Affordable Mobile Lawnmower and Snowblower Service and Repair. And we do repair pretty much any other kind of small engine that you might have. And we do have free estimates. We do chainsaws, power washers, log splitters, blowers, pretty much anything with a small engine on it. Just give us a holler, and we hope to hear from you. Thank you. 970-420-8889.